Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Oke, sahabat Getri. Now I will teach all of you how to learn create maybe bit of animation. Yeah. Now we have resource from CorelDRAW. I have a resource like this. Yeah. This have size 400 pixel width and 300 pixel height. Yeah, I have scanner like this. I have one mobile and one tree, and I have scenario to start the mobile from here till until that. Yeah, if we have designed this resource, we can export. Yeah, I use CorelDRAW version, old version. Yeah, export. Export and export to PSD format. Yeah, PSD format, because Flash can import the PSD file. Yeah, okay. I give the name areanya. Export. Okay. It's resolution still 300 dpi. Okay. Color mode RGB, transparent background, and so on. Yeah. Okay. Then the mobile export. Get name mobilnya. Ya, still save as type PSD format. Okay. Okay, now the tree export. The name is pohonnya, PSD format. Export. Okay, that's the resource ready to layout on Flash. Okay. Okay, I will stop and I will share the Flash. Okay, I use Flash old version, Flash CS3. Now we can start how to lay out the resource from CorelDRAW 12 old version. Okay, we can choose this file with ActionScript 2, and next I will teach you on animate use ActionScript 3. Okay, now you can start this. Okay, on Corel I have area 400 pixel width and 300 pixel height, but now we can set the size first. Yeah, we can edit first with dimension 400 pixel width and 300 pixel height. Yeah, same with resources on CorelDRAW. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will minimize. Okay, that's the area. Okay, but now I will create the area is back, yeah, or latar. Okay, latar, then click here, file, import to stage, this file, ya, areanya, open. Okay, okay, it's still we can see the file. Maybe a bit, yeah, maybe a bit different. 300. Okay. Maybe we can open this. Yeah. Okay. Open this clock. 200. That's it. It's fixed on position 0x 0y. Okay, that's it. Okay, now not here but here. Yeah. Okay, I will delete layer, rename first latar. Okay, then insert new layer. Okay, file, import to stage the tree. Okay, the tree. Okay, that's it. Okay, this. Yeah. Okay, it's not the layer. Okay, tree. Okay, the tree. Top of the layer latar. And now the last, you can import the car. Okay, the car. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, car. Okay, that's the car. But now I will to export this car to movie clip. Yeah, choose the car, press F8. I want to movie clip, movie clip, car. Okay, okay, finish. Here on movie clip car, I want to create animation like this. Yeah. Okay, maybe on 60 frames. Okay, I want on 60 frame. I want to move here. That's it. Create a twine. Yeah. Okay, but now I want to make guide here. Yeah, right click here, add motion guide, choose this frame, and we can start use pen like this. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 like this. Yeah. Okay, like this. Okay, it's the track of your car. Okay, maybe this. Yeah, this. Okay, here. Okay, you can see the track. If this join, we can zoom this. Yeah, zoom and choose this, and we can cut a bit. Yeah, cut a bit like this. Delete. Here start to guideline, and this end of guideline. Okay, control min. Okay, I want to find the start here, start of the car on here. Okay, click, hold, and move here. Yeah, start guideline. Okay, control min. I want to find the. Okay, here, click, hold, move. Okay, be careful. Okay, click, move, be careful. Click, hold, move. Okay, that's it. End of the guide. Now, okay, that's it. Yeah, if we want to play like this, that's okay. Yeah, but the scenario is not correct. Now we can choose this car. Okay, sorry, the car. Where is the car? And we can rotate, use orient to pad and rotate with none. Yeah, now we can choose okay. Let's right. Okay, now we can rotate this car by modify and free transform, and we can rotate to this. Yeah, this the head, and we can move the center point. Yeah, this on center point. Okay, move this first. Yeah, okay, check. Okay, what the main set. Wait, set. Okay, choose this. Sorry, moving. Okay. What's the okay? Modify, free transform. Choose this to move here. Okay, yeah, to move here, and check the okay. Set. Check the line. Okay, test this and choose the here. Okay, move here. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's finished. But now control enter. See the okay, that's a correct moving. Okay, that's a correct moving. But now I want to move the three top of the car. Okay, control enter. Now we can see the result. Nah, that's it. Yeah, okay, that's our lesson today. Thank you for watching. Next we will learn any exercise. Okay, thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.